Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this time, I will present my paper with the title The Impact of Financial Performance on Firm Value, Evidence from Islamic Bank in Indonesia. The development of Islamic banking in Indonesia is closely related to its predominantly Muslim population. The public increasingly understand and appears transaction in accordance with Islamic law, including halal and haram principle. Which trend is reflected in the growing awareness among market participants who are increasingly investing in the financial sector of Islamic banking. This phenomenon has driven the continuous growth of Islamic bank, including Islamic Commercial Bank. In addition to providing transparent and accountable transactions, Islamic Bank also offers spiritual certainty by avoiding riba and following the principle of Sharia law in accordance with the teaching in the Quran and Hadith in all their operations. The increase in the company value can be reflected in the stock price and financial performance management in Islamic Bank. The value of company is measured using the PBV ratio. PBV is a financial ratio that compares the stock price with the book value per share. An increase in the PBV ratio indicates high success for shareholders, showing that the company has achieved its objective. The results from the previous study indicate a disparity between the variable studies and the concept of theories from previous research. Therefore, to better understand this phenomena, further analysis of this difference is needed. This research focused on Islamic Commercial Bank in Indonesia from 2019 until 2023. The objective of the study is to examine the impact of the independent variables such as profitability, liquidity, leverage, and capital adequacy on firm value. Hypothesis number 1, probability has a significant effect on firm value. Number 2, liquidity has a significant effect on firm value. Number 3, leverage has a significant effect on firm value. Number 4, capital adequacy has a significant effect on firm value. This study employs a quantitative research approach with secondary data obtained from the annual financial statement of Islamic Commercial Bank registered with the Financial Service Authority in Indonesia from 2019 until 2023. The data sampling method used is proportive sampling. The analysis method in this research are follow descriptive statistical analysis, panel data regression, classical assumption test, hypothesis testing, and the regression model. Results: the effect of profitability on firm value. This indicates that profitability doesn't significantly affects the firm value. This result suggests that despite the company achieving high profitability, it doesn't necessarily lead to an increase in firm value. The effect of liquidity on firm value. The liquidity variable shows a significant negative effect on firm value. This result is consistent with the theory of signaling, which suggests that high quality is seen as negative signal for investor. High liquidity may indicate inefficiency in utilizing funds and can reduce profitability. Consequently, investors may become hesitant to invest, leading to decline investment on company value. The effect of leverage on firm value. The hypothesis that leverage negatively affects firm value is rejected. This finding suggests that the level of debt or leverage in a company is not for sale determinant of value. This result is consistent with the previous study by Fariski et al. 2021 and Iskak 2020. The effect of capital adequacy on firm value. The capital adequacy variable shows a significant negative effect on firm value. This indicates that a higher capital adequate ratio lead to a decline in firm value. While capital adequate is an essential indicator on financial stability and a company ability to absorb potential loss, a high capital adequacy ratio is a signal to investors that the bank is not efficiently utilizing its capital. This inefficiency can lead to lower profitability, ultimately reducing the company's value. Conclusion: this study concludes that profitability and leverage doesn't significantly affect the value of a company in Islamic banking. However, liquidity and capital adequacy negatively impact firm value significantly. The results suggest that Islamic banks should improve their financial performance, particularly by managing liquidity and capital adequacy more efficiently to enhance firm value. For future research, it is recommended to expand the analysis by including other variables such as company size and dividend policies to better understand the factors that affect firm value. This research can contribute to further study on the factor influencing company value in Islamic banking. Additionally, the study provides valuable insight for Islamic bank, suggesting they should focus on improving financial performance to maximize value. Investors can use profitability, liquidity, leverage, capital adequacy, and firm value as benchmarks to making investment decisions to achieve optimal stock return. Okay, this is the end my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.